Sir,
Yes.
sir, you gotta go on the sidewalk.
Wherever the public is at. Wherever the public, we can't be segregated from the public. So if the public down here, public area, we can't be segregated from
You're
the
not.
public.
This is going to be the thing. We haven't had a chance to set the perimeter. It's going to go from here
right.
all the way down.
I just want to make
so
sure
that's
we're on
where
the same
you're
page.
at.
Okay?
Sir, please, guys. Okay, it's fine. I need you guys to go as far away as you can. As far away as you can. That's home, that's home. Sir, can you just move back a little bit? All right, just for...
All right, so what happened?
I don't know. We were just sitting in our living room. We haven't heard this loud explosion.
Uh-huh.
House shook. First, thought maybe the tree fell down on our house, but that's all I know.
And then when you came out, what about the occupants of the house?
I don't know. We started to walk around there, and they wouldn't let us go any further.
Did you have flooding around here last night?
Yeah, we got flooded. I don't know. Maybe their pilot light went out or something, and then built up gas. Or,
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if anybody was in there.
That's the whole thing.
Yeah.
Right. So, did you smell gas or anything? No.
We smelled diesel fuel earlier.
Right.
A lot of diesel.
Yeah, the home heating oil
Yeah,
cooked up out of it.
heating oil or
Yeah.
something, but I didn't smell any gas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
I hope nobody was in there.
What's your name?
Bob.
Bob. Is there a phone number we get a hold of you at later on?
A cell phone.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
732.
732
Yeah. 956.
956
7013.
7013. Bob.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you very much.